Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can chat with Apple support online. So let's get started. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Apple support website. Once you're on the support page, choose the category that best matches the problem you're experiencing with your Apple device or service. After selecting the appropriate topic, scroll down to the Get More Help section. If live chat is available for your issue and region, click on it to continue. You may be asked to sign in with your Apple ID or provide your device's serial number so Apple can identify your product and offer the most accurate support. After verifying your account or device, you'll be connected to an Apple support representative. Clearly explain the issue you're facing, provide any additional information they request, and follow the troubleshooting steps they recommend. If live chat isn't available, Apple may instead offer other support options, such as requesting a phone call or scheduling a callback at a convenient time. That's how you can contact Apple support online and get help with your Apple products. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.